Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Google Chrome browser, then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Next, click on Settings at the bottom of the menu. This will take you to the Settings page. On the Settings page, click on the Privacy and Security option here. Under Privacy and Security, you will see the Site Settings option. You need to click on it. Now scroll down and in the Content section, you will find the JavaScript option. Click on it. Here you will see two options. Option 1, JavaScript, select sites can use JavaScript. If you want to disable JavaScript, select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. And that is it guys. This is how you can enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.